While doing your academic writing, definitely you have to go through the latest literature according to your field of study. And when you don't have access to the paid papers or a paid literature, then it is very difficult for you to go through the latest literature for your research documents. There is only one platform which is with a lot of conspiracies and issues and legal issues is being considered the friend of students. The students who don't have a paid access to these research papers can access those research papers for free by using this platform. But students mostly face issue while identifying the exact platform which is taking you towards the paid research papers among a lot of fake platforms. The name of the platform, as you are already familiar, is the Sci-Hub, but you are not familiar with the actual proxy or actual website which is going to take you to the Sci-Hub. So when you write Sci-Hub in Google, you come up with the Sci-Hub.se and you will come up with the Sci-Hub.tf, Sci-Hub something.net, Sci-Hub.rne, Sci-Hub with Google, but the actual website which is going to take you to the actual platform of Sci-Hub is not among all of these. These all are the fake platforms which are ranking on top, and the actual website is Sci-Hub.ee. When you click this link, you will come up with this kind of interface, and here you can enter any kind of a URL, PMID, DIO or search string. For example, I go to any search engine, Sci-Space for example, and I will ask for the research papers for the application of formidazole based ionic liquids, and this paper has the open access, but this paper don't have open access. So I just go click the DIO and I will go to the link of the paper, and even I can copy the link of DIO from here. So I will open the Sci-Hub and paste that DIO link over here, and that paid paper will be accessible through Sci-Hub in free. In the same way, I can go for any other paper, like this paper is again, this is a patent, and this paper is again not free. For example, I will show you that this paper is not free over here and I cannot access its PDF. So I just simple click on DIO and will copy its DIO number and will go to Sci-Hub again and paste this URL. And Sci-Hub will give me the access to this paid research paper again in free. So the actual website is sci.hub.ee, which you can also find here below the video and in the description box, and you can access that website and you can access the free research papers just by clicking that link. I hope so this video is going to solve your problem to find the research papers for free. If you need this kind of a material and you're looking for any kind of a research or academic help, put it in the comment section. My team will reach you. We'll see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.